See that right there? How to write a damn good novel. Y'all hear that airplane up there? There's an airplane up there. But anyways, how to write a good novel. Go over. Campsite right there. Look at that charcoal. Gonna pick up some of those charcoal pieces for later. But I'm thinking of writing a book, and but a good one. A survival book, of course, but one where someone with nothing can start from scratch and start working. I'm thinking about a 500-page book, a good sized one too, but real simple one, you know, at like somewhere around like the 8th grade level, so that someone with nothing will be able to pick up and go and start. You know, actually 2 books. You know, an apocalypse book and a you know, homesteading book. 2 books, 500 pages, something that's worth, you know, $17. A lot of books out there aren't even worth 17 bucks. But anyways, so this book is, well, okay, that's the book. I'm working on it, and this is probably going to be one chapter of the book right here. How to create a TEOTWAWKI bug out bag. Okay, how to do it, and the way to do it. I'm going to go ahead and explain it. Notice the woods. I get lost in here. I could spend hours in here. And but anyways, let's get into this. Okay, how to create your deployment bag or bug out bag. Okay, and the way to do it is to follow your morning routine. Okay, and then I'm gonna break it up, break it down further. Okay, so what do? I'll put my glasses on. Your morning routine, okay? You wake up, you comb your hair and you put on your clothes. Okay, you make coffee, bathroom, and then brush teeth, etc. This should have been a subset of bathroom, but anyways, sit in a chair with a table, right? And you know, as you're drinking your coffee, you plan your daily goal. You plan your day goals, okay? Then you eat breakfast. You clean the dishes, and then you walk land. You walk the land and the perimeter fence of the location you're at, and then you start working on your daily goals. Okay. So that's where I'm at now. I'm working on my daily goals, and one of my daily goals was to create this video, which is one I'm going to probably have other videos too. But you create your daily. You know, you start working on your daily goals that you plan for the day. Now, if you look at my list there, each one of those lists can be broken up into subcategories. Okay, so let me show you. I'm trying to put the thoughts together on you know, on a novel, and this book, that one that I just showed you, it reads like a novel. It reads like a damn good prepper survival type book on how to write a book. Man, it's pretty cool. It's an old book. it was written before 2015, and that's when AI and Chat GTP grab hold. I was thinking of writing a book, and my one of my relatives said, "Hey, no problem." He just grabbed my information from me talking to him, punched in some key thoughts into some kind of novel Chat GTP AI book writing app that you could download from an app store, and he already had some chapters. He already had the first few chapters written for me. Like, wow. And it read really smooth. The AI generated book read very smoothly, and if you read a AI written book or an artificial intelligence assisted book editor, you'd be able to figure out how AI writes books, and you'd be able to spot an AI written book very easily. If you read a lot of books, you'd be able to tell an AI written book from a original book. That's why most of my books are before 2015. That book on how to write a book, I think that's written in the 1990s, and